Welcome to InsideTips channel. Today we have here Royal Clutch mechanical keyboard, and it's a really nice keyboard. This review will be with the entire functions of this keyboard. I will show you all you need to know about this keyboard, and this video will be the most important from YouTube because I will show you all you need to know. And without further ado, let's go and see what we have here. First things first, this video is not sponsored by Royal Clutch. I buy this keyboard with my money, and I think the price it's really good for this keyboard. So in the box you will have of course the Royal Clutch keyboard. You will have an user manual for instructions. You will have also this keys remove. You will have a strap for your cable, and also you will receive some heights for your keyboard to be higher, or I just love how it feels in this position, so I don't need this adjustable fits, and also I don't need this. And maybe you will not need to use this tool because you can use your fingers to remove a key. So it's easy, but for sure you need this tool to remove K letter, G, H or something like that in the middle of the keyboard when your fingers is not good to go there. Okay, let me remove this Sony thing. It's from my Sony a6400. I just love this camera. So yeah, I shoot with this camera, but let's go and find what this keyboard can do. Now I will give you the size of this keyboard. Okay, so we have 36, almost 37. So there you have it. This is the size, and we have here on the sides almost 14. So I think the sides are impressive. It's a small keyboard, and let's flip to the back now. So this is the back of this keyboard. If you need to adjust the height, you will use these foots, but I don't need this because I like how it feels right now. Okay, let's connect the cable. Oh, and of course I have this little keyboard here. If you want to know something about this, I will make a review for you. Just let me know in the comments below if you want to see some review about this little keyboard. But now let's connect this big eye and flip again. And we have now our keyboard. Let me adjust that wire. So let's start to talk about this keyboard. This is the most impressive skin. I see a lot of keyboards who have this skin, but I will show you the rest of the skins. You can slow the speed or fast the speed. Now it's the slowly speed, and you can dim a little bit or go up. I think we have 4 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, of course, and 4 to go up. Okay, and now let's see the skins. We have this one from up to down. We have this from the left to the right. We have the same, but half of the keyboard. We have now this skin, so impressive. And now you can change the color. Let's see, you can use FN and pause. And now we have blue, a little bit pink here, white. Now we have all the colors. It's RGB. Red. I think this is so nice. I like this reddish look. So yeah, a lot of colors here. You can change from FN and pause. This button over here. Let's go to another skin. This is nice. You can press a letter and will be highlight 1 second or 2, I don't know. Let's go further. Again, you can change the color, but you can do this with the entire skins. This you can go with what colors you want. So if you want to have this skin with another colors, not this entire RGB, you can go again to press FN and pause, and you will have this red look with that skin. So nice. So I just give you all the skins on this keyboard. So now I will show you how to connect the skins to your smartphone or maybe other Bluetooth devices. Let me put on the desk my smartphone. So I have here my iPhone, and now let's go and press FN and the tab key. Now we have this caps lock and Windows highlight, and now FN and P, keep there for 3 seconds, and we have this P highlights. So now let's go on the smartphone and turn on the Bluetooth. You will have here other devices, RK Bluetooth keyboard. Let's go and press this. So we are connected. I don't know if my phone it's visible, but hope is it. So here it's connected. And now let's go to my notes, and let's say subscribe to my channel. Tips to know all day. Okay, so there you have it. You have a text. Let's see if we have a great keyboard, because some keyboards, if you press a lot of buttons, they don't give you in real time. So think about this. This is a Bluetooth connection, and we will try to press a lot of keys here. And let's start this now. Okay, you will see. Impressive. So all I type on the keyboard, it's immediately transferred to my phone. And now let me show you how to get rid of the Bluetooth connection to make a connection again between the keyboard and your PC. You need to just press FN and tab again. There you have it. The connection with your PC is now available, and I can type just with my finger here. So let's say I want to type again, so nothing happened because I have my keyboard back to my computer. Nice. And now let me show you how to make custom buttons on this keyboard. So if you press FN and 1, 2 or 3, you will have something here on these keys. So I press FN1 and I have these 4 buttons highlighted, and I want to change these buttons because now if I press on the keyboard, nothing happened, and if I press here, the same thing. So you can go with FN and print screen, and now you will have caps lock and Windows and this screen lock. So let's say I want to have in my game, in, I don't know, Fortnite or PUBG, this and this, because you will go further, backward, left and right. And maybe you will need this highlight too. I don't know, you can custom all the keys on this profile. So if you want to save, or maybe you want to have this S with another color, you will have a lot of colors here to pick. So just make what colors you like. I will go with red. So after you're done with your profile, you will need to hit again FN and print screen. But yeah, now we have this FN highlight too. So we have a big problem here. Let's make a magic trick here. So we need to highlight again these 4 buttons and these 4. And you need to press FN. Now we have this FN highlight too. You need to change the colors and this will be transparent. Just keep it down and press print screen. So now you have these custom keys on your FN1 profile. And you can do the same with others profiles. So nice. To go back at the screen, you can change from here and choose your skin. So nice. I think this is the video. Thanks for watching. If you want to buy this keyboard, I will leave a link in the description, so make sure you will check this product there. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Leave some comments below. I want to know what you think about this keyboard. Till next time, don't forget, tips to know.